Hey guys, what's up? It's Tyler Mars Investments. And if you're a trader that's having a hard time making profits or a trader that's actually losing, a lot of your capital, this is a good video for you guys. I'm going to be breaking down the three main reasons a lot of traders struggle making profits or just continuous lose their capital. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start with the first reason. The first reason would be not having a stop loss. Now, when I first started trading, I didn't even know what a stop loss was, and it cost me. And I'm pretty sure it might have cost a lot of you guys out there some money as well. Now, if you don't know what a stop loss is, I'm just going to go quick over and show you what it is. So a stop loss. So you bought some stocks. In this case, it'll be Nordstrom. We have 35 shares of Nordstrom. We bought it at $31.94. Okay, and now it's at $31.95. We see it's going up a little bit, but we have a certain stop loss. My stop loss is like $30 per position. Your stop loss could be different. I'm trading with a $28,000 portfolio. So you would click on stop loss order. Your stop price is the price of whenever the stock hits that certain price, you will execute a sell. Meaning you're pretty much minimizing your risk because you don't know really how far Nordstrom could really shoot down. It could shoot down all the way to $28, as of tomorrow, Monday. So as traders, what can we do to protect ourselves? Well, stop losses are a great, I can't even speak, a great way to do that. So I would set my stop loss probably at $31.50, and I would do 35 shares. So this is saying that once Nordstrom, if it hits $31.50, I will stop loss out, meaning I'll sell all my shares, I'll just get out position and wait for a better time to get in. So you can see I'll get $1,102, and so I paid $1,118, so I missed out on $16. So not a lot for a stop loss, that's really half of my stop loss. So we would click good till canceled and review order. So this is saying you're placing a good till cancel stop loss order to sell 35 shares of Nordstrom when Nordstrom reaches $31.50. Your order will be converted into a market order and executed at the best available price. So stop losses, just remember, are huge in the trading world. You have to use them unless if you just want to just not have a minimize risk and just lose all your money. Then don't use them. It's whatever. But I highly suggest using a stop loss. Now guys, the second reason why a lot of traders, aren't really making a lot of money is they're not really trading the quality stocks. They're looking at all these penny stocks, these low cap stocks that are a bunch of pump and dumps. They see that they get pumped every so often and they hit a huge dump. So what are traders saying? Well, I'm about ready for this huge pump and I'm gonna sell it. Well, guys, that's not how really it works. Sometimes some people get lucky and do that, but this quality stocks, I see a lot of people just talking about crappy stocks in general. GoPro was huge, and then their drones, they went to the drone business. Their drones started falling in the sky. They're years behind a bunch of competitors with their cameras, and it shows. Get the 5 years. They're up to $80, and now they're down to $5.52. Quality stocks, you gotta search for them. I like to trade high cap stocks. You can see in my watch list over here, I have Apple, Twitter, Tesla. I don't really do Twitter. Some of these on this watch list are just what Robinhood put in here. So Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, Microsoft is a big one I trade. Disney is a big one I trade. GoPro, I can't stand it. I don't even know why this is in my watch list. I am actually going to take this out right now. Don't even want this in my watch list. Don't even want it in there. Move from watch list. Simple as that. So Starbucks, Facebook, Baba, Bank of America, Fitbit, JD, Beyond Meat, New Age Beverage, all these high cap stocks. Gush, DGAS, UGAS, bunch of ETFs, also trade ETFs. The LK, the Luckin Coffee, Chewy, I believe Chewy is going to be a huge competitor here soon. Their online dog or online pet business, I believe it's going to be a huge little play in here. Actually, I think I might want to limit order really quick. 5. 50. I just want to make sure I get in Chewy on tomorrow. So let's just look at a quality stock. Let's just go ahead and Microsoft it. Let's go look at Microsoft. So you can see Microsoft. Now Microsoft has a couple problems, but 5 years, you can see just 218% growth in 5 years. This is a huge tech company. They have a market cap of 1.03 trillion. Look at this, 1.03 trillion. That's huge. It's not a lot of companies are in the trillions. They have a couple 100 million or 100 billion, but in the trillions, that's rare. They even have a dividend yield of 1.7%. They got their stuff. You can see that their people are paying 28% higher right now, which of course, there's this is a great stock. This is what I mean when people are not trading quality stocks. They're not trading like Microsoft. They're trading like the opposite of Microsoft. Some crazy stuff like that. You can just go through, the 1 year, 3 months, the 1 month, the 1 week. You can just see. Yeah, so I pretty much only like to trade quality stocks. That's it. When you start messing with low cap stocks, you start messing with a bunch of volatility, and you enter into a bunch of risk factors that shouldn't be there. If you're new to trading, you don't want a bunch of risk factors when you're trading. You want to minimize those risks as much as possible and maximize those profits. Okay, guys. Now the last one would be not waiting for confirmation, and this kind of goes with quality stocks a little bit, but waiting for confirmation, probably the hugest factor. And if you don't get anything out of this video besides this, I hope that you do get this. Waiting for confirmation and patience. So patience and confirmation, they play hand in hand together. So let's see. Let's go with Apple. Let's check out Apple right here. For the 5 day, 20 minutes. So you can see within 5 days, 20 minutes. And it's kind of it's pretty volatile right now. You can see we have the VWAP line. You can see it's trading right in between the middle VWAP line and the top VWAP line, but it's really trading right on that middle VWAP line. So it's consolidating right now. So would you want to buy this stock? I wouldn't, at least not right now, because it's consolidating. It's not showing any signs of an upward trend. It could easily keep on consolidating and shoot down. So what do we want to do? We want to set our reminders so we can have a good confirmation. So we see that, a nice support right around here. Nice little support. So we will make our stop loss a little bit above, or a stop loss or alert a little bit above that. So we do 190.80. We'll create alert. So once it goes above this, then that is a confirmation for me. That means it's time for me to get in this. It's showing signs of upward trend, and it already showed sign of confirmation. So it has all of my checklists already wrote off, and I will be getting in the stock as soon as it gets up. Now, Apple, if you ever heard, their chief designer will be leaving the company as of late this year. Their claims that Apple will be using his new company, but do you really believe that? Honestly, I think he might have a little bit of business from Apple, but I think Apple's just going to go their own way. I'm excited to see what the stock has to offer here in the future, with that big change, and they also have a couple other big changes coming up. So, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, all those big name stocks are what I really like to trade, because I understand the patterns, I understand the risk factors, I set my stop losses, I wait for confirmation, I trade quality stocks, I'm not trading these doo-doo stocks, these pump and dumps, guys. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Remember, guys, the 3 things to take away from this video is setting that stop loss. Make sure you minimize those risks. Make sure you do, because you can lose a lot of money in this without setting a stop loss. The next one is, trade quality stocks. Stop trading these crappy, not qualified stocks. Make a quality checklist. If you need a quality checklist, message me, comment on this video, and I will make a video how I make a quality checklist for all my stocks that I am invested in. And the last thing, guys, is always please wait for confirmation. Please just wait for confirmation, guys. If you can do this, you will start seeing a lot of profits and you will minimize that risk. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, leave a comment, and if you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe, hit that button, and I will see you guys in the next video.